This episode of Year in Review is presented by Goodyear Belts. Goodyear Belts' line of power transmission belts meet or exceed the rigorous demands of today's toughest applications. Goodyear Belts are high quality and purpose-built for the transportation and industrial markets. Go to GoodyearBelts.com for more information.
Wow, Mary, I can't believe all that's happened in the aftermarket this year. I mean, especially in the manufacturing sector.
I know. We've had acquisitions, expansions, rebranding, and a slew of new product introductions.
Oh, for sure. There's never a dull moment in our industry, right?
You can say that again.
So, after going through our website analytics, it looks like we have a list of our top 10 manufacturing stories of 2023. Ready to let the industry know what the top stories of this year are?
Let's do it.
Hey everyone, I'm Maddie Weiner, editor of Aftermarket News.
And I'm Mary Delavala, content director for Aftermarket News and Counterman.
And welcome to our first installment of our Year in Review series for 2023. To kick things off, we're looking at the top manufacturing news in the automotive aftermarket this year. Our first story is Borg spinning off its fuel systems and aftermarket business into Phinia. With brands like Delphi, Delco Remy, and Hartridge, the newly created Phinia has said its mission is to deliver high-quality, innovative systems and components for OE and aftermarket customers that will service commercial and light vehicles as well as industrial applications.
Next up, early this year, AP Emissions Technologies announced that it was bought by Berkshire Hathaway's Marmon Holdings. Marmon is comprised of more than 100 businesses serving diverse industries and markets worldwide. With Marmon's backing, AP executives told us in our October issue that their priorities are expanding investments in automation in their factories and boosting their R&D capabilities to introduce new products.
In product news, Liqui Moly released its thinnest motor oil to date with the special Tech AA OW8. Launched in July, the new motor oil meets the latest JASO GLV1 standard, as required for hybrid models from Mazda and Toyota.
Another acquisition announcement that made our top 10 list was LKQ Corporation completing its acquisition of Uniselect in August. Uniselect is a distributor of automotive refinish and industrial coatings, as well as other products through its FinishMaster segment in North America. After completing the acquisition, LKQ divested GSF Car Parts, Uniselect's UK aftermarket parts business. For LKQ, the acquisition complements its existing paint distribution operation and enhances its global parts distribution business.
You know, Mary, many stories build from year to year, and this one's no exception. This past April, NGK Spark Plugs officially changed its name to Nera North America. Now, the name change was announced in August 2022, but legally it became official this year. The rebranding came with a new company logo, which Nera said reflects its vision for the future as it looks to expand its portfolio of products and services.
And in June, Schaeffler hosted a grand opening for its new distribution center in Strongsville, Ohio. The 250,000 square foot facility, just south of Cleveland, offers expanded warehouse capacity for Schaeffler's growing North American aftermarket operations. And at the grand opening, company executives noted that Schaeffler has invested more than $250 million in the Americas region over the past 5 years.
Rounding out our top 10 manufacturing stories this year is Clarios investing $550 million to expand its global production of AGM or absorbent glass mat batteries. The company said AGM batteries support the increase in vehicle electrification. The investment will nearly double the company's capacity in North America and support growing AGM battery demand.
And going back to some acquisition news, Transtar announced it acquired C&M Auto Parts in March this year. C&M, a full-line warehouse distributor headquartered in Trenton, New Jersey, will help Transtar reach its strategic goals, the company said. This was the second acquisition Transtar completed in Q1 of 2023.
In more product news, Stellantis announced that it's launching its B Pro Auto line of aftermarket parts in North America to further expand its replacement parts and service business. Stellantis said the line comes to North America after decades of success in Europe and other international markets.
Last but certainly not least is Deli Technologies partnering with Platinum Drivelines operations in Mexico. Platinum Drivelines said Deli is looking to grow its presence in the Mexican automotive aftermarket. Wow, what a year of news we've had.
You got that right. We hope you've enjoyed this installment of our 2023 Year in Review series. Check back tomorrow to see what stories made our top 10 list in the distribution realm.